Hey, beautiful souls. I pray that you all are having a blessed day so far. In today's meal prep video, this is for Sissy. She has requested this, and we have curry shrimp and imitation crab meat with some air-fried Brussels sprouts and carrots. I yielded 5 meal prep containers out of this, so let's get into this delicious recipe. In a pot, you're going to add some oil on medium heat. We're going to add some potatoes, some carrots, some scotch bonnet pepper, and some yellow bell pepper, thyme, minced garlic. Give that a mix. And I cut these potatoes, a little smaller than bite size. We have Jamaican curry powder, allspice, Sazon tropical, black pepper, ground ginger, paprika. We're going to add all of that, give that a good mix. Then we're going to add some coconut milk. I love coconut milk in curry. Just tastes absolutely delicious. It seems to balance out the curry. You want to add a little bit at a time. Also add a little water at a time. We want the sauce to be nice and thick, so don't go overdoing it with the water. And then we have some cilantro. Gonna mix that on in. And during this process, the potato is cooking before you add in your seafood. Tasted it, tastes amazing, but we're gonna add some cayenne pepper. All right, and now we're going to go ahead and add in the imitation crab meat. Lexi's really been loving this. We go to the supermarket, she's like, get the imitation crab meat. So yeah, mix in the imitation crab meat, then mix in your shrimp. Shrimp does not take very long to cook. It's going to take about 3 minutes in this to cook, covered. And now onto our delicious vegetables. We have Brussels sprouts, carrots, and some diced onions in this bowl. We're adding oil, salt, paprika, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. And yeah, we're going to give that a mix. And I was going to put this in the oven, but I was making baguettes at the time. Yes, I'm learning to bake, you guys. I was baking some baguettes. Anyway, we're going to put that in the air fryer, actually. So back to the stove, I'm adding some more cilantro. And I'm also going to add some red pepper flakes. And this is done. The curry, shrimp, and imitation crab meat is done. This was so good. I also added lemon juice. Somewhere in here, I added... Whoa. Somewhere in here I added lemon juice. I've had just a little cold lodged in my throat when it knows I'm just trying to talk about the goodness of the food. I don't know why it's doing that. Anyway, I popped these in the air fryer for about 15 minutes on 350. They still came out with a bite to it. Lexi likes it like that. Obviously, just leave yours in there longer if you want your Brussels sprouts to be soft. Okay. Oh, this is our new air fryer. Our last one broke down. If you recall me telling you that in one of our last seafood boil videos. So this is the new one that my mama got. Shout out to Auntie Carol for getting this for us. Yum. Look at that. We love Brussels. We love vegetables in this household. Get up on your vegetables, y'all. Okay. You hear what I'm saying? So anyway, I started off with 4 portion control container, glass containers. And then I was like, oh, I can make 5. So I actually made Lexi 5 plates, which didn't even matter because she came home from work and your girl ate one. She said, that tasted exactly how I wanted it to taste. It's so good. And ate another one. Messed up my meal prep flow because why would you eat 2 meal prep in a day? Why are you doing that? But she loved it. So that made me very happy. The flavors were all good. The vegetables were healthy, still had a bite to it. So you had all that nutrition still in there. Then that amazing curry. So good. So full of flavor. Sweet, spicy, sour. All that goodness is in there. Anyways, God bless and peace.